Nihao. Today's lecture, I'm going to introduce you a Chinese greetings, which you just saw that at the beginning. I greet to you. This is the traditional Chinese martial art greetings. And this is the first lesson you will learn is respect. We should respect each other and mutual respect. So I'm going to show you how. Right hand, make a fist. Hollow fist, do not hard. And left hand, palm straight and covered up. Cover the face of your fist. Just like that, hands together. We also say Nihao at the beginning. That's Chinese meaning is a how are you, hello, or hi, just hi. And say 谢谢. 谢谢 means thank you. So you might ask, why is one size fist, the other size not? So when you make the fist means strength and power. And left hand and with the fingers together, that means friendship and peace. So people, when they fight, and they use the fist to fight. But when you cover it up with peace and friendship, that becomes respect. So people would have the respect to do the martial art. And also with the thumb bend down like this, that means humanity. So when with your body straight and standing straight, hands together, pick up, and fist and palm together. Nihao. It's about your in front of your chest. Let the elbow drop. Do not raise the elbow. Let the elbow drop like that in front of your chest. You can slightly bend and Nihao, or just Nihao, or 谢谢, 谢谢. And so, and you can use that every day. And when you see somebody in the morning and with people that you practice with, then you can 你好, 你好, and you can use every day too. So this is the first lesson you will learn, and before the class, the form that is respect to each other. Thank you.